Hello everyone, and in today's episode we'll be working with the square and circle tool. You can find them in your toolbar right here. Square, circle. And to create a square, make sure you're selected and then click to drag, and that will drag out a square. It is very similar for the circle tool as well. You can create a circle. Note that you can freely transform. If you do not like this, just simply hold down that control key to constrain it. It will also allow you to snap it into 2x1, 3x1, and of course vice versa. The other thing you can do with this is, if you note, it will start from where you're dragging to where you end. If you don't like that, you can hold down shift and it will actually grow from the center out. After creating your shapes, you might notice these little circle lines here on the square that allows you to curve the corners, right? And if you hold down control, you can make those corners symmetrical, so you don't have to individually control them. Of course, if you're more of a numbers person, you can change your values up here in the RX and RY value. In this case, there's a 70, I don't know, I feel like 25 maybe? 25. And then when you decide your corners look terrible, there's a make corner sharp button. The circle tool works a little bit differently. It also has these circle nodes, but the circle tool allows you to make segments. In this case, if I want to create like a Pac-Man, I can do something like that. Now, if you notice when I'm moving this around, the pie segments, or the inner part of the line, sometimes disappear and sometimes come back. You can, after getting the desired segment arc that you want, you can actually just toggle it on back and forth with these two buttons up in the top corner. And of course, just like the square, you can refill it, or reset it, I guess, in this case, by hitting the reset button. Now, if you do want to get a little bit more precise, there's a start and end control, and these function in degrees. So if I want to make a perfect 180, I can just type in 180 to create a 180. Or if I want to start 90 degrees, I will start the 90 degree marker, and this will give me just a perfect 90 degree segment. So there you go. That is the square and circle tool. Not much in today's episode, but very vital. So until next time, bye.